Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, you will learn very simple and easy definition of computer and its examples. So let's start. A computer is an electronic device that receives input, processes data, stores information, and produces output. Now, example of computer. Some examples of computer are: first one is desktop computer, which is also called PC. Second one is laptop. Third one is tablet. Fourth is smartphone. And the last one is smartwatch, etc. Thanks for watching.